Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the car.
Huh?
Daddy's in the car.
Daddy's not in the car. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the doctor.
The doctor? I don't think Daddy's in the doctor, Nak. I think Daddy's at home.
Daddy cooking dairy. Daddy cooking dairy.
Daddy cooking.
Where do you want to go?
Jake.
You want to go see Jake again?
Yes.
You went to see Jake the other night. Show to Daddy. What's that, Daddy?
Jam.
Yes.
Yes! Daddy, right?
Yes.
Oh, good job. That's right. Good job, Daddy.
That's what Daddy.
Come here, say
Happy birthday, Daddy.
happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Good girl.
Magandang hapon, maligayang pagbabalik sa ating channel. Today is Thursday and it's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and now I'm on my way to pick up Paris from the childcare. Nandito ako sa labas at tingnan nyo ang aking jacket ay super makapal kasi sobrang ginaw talaga today. I think it's only maximum 11 degrees today, guys. And may dala pala ako dito sa plastic bag ko. Ang laman nito ay aking laptop kasi yung plano ko before ko pick upin si Paris, I will go to the office. Pupunta ako sa opisina, guys, kasi kailangan kong i-print yung something and then kaya dinala ko ang aking laptop. And ang aking buhok, guys, ay nakabulibod ng ganyan. 'Di ba last day sabi ko na pag nakaganito yung buhok ko, ibig sabihin na hindi ako naligo, ganyan. But it's a different story today, guys. So ginanito ko yung buhok ko kasi 'di ba last night naligo ako. Pero kasi si Paris, after kong maligo, si Paris gusto na niyang magdede, gusto na niyang matulog. Kaya yun, pumunta kami ng bed, ang aking buhok was wet. Kaya pagising ko sobrang tanggal talaga ng aking buhok ba. Anong ginagawa nyo, guys, kapag sa gabi kayo naliligo and then time for bed na? Kasi para siyang mga wire talaga gumanon, lahat tumindig ba. Kaya binulibod ko na lang ng ganyan kasi hindi na rin ako nakapagsuklay ng maayos. Anyways, alis na tayo, guys, kasi anong oras na. And by the way, nakita ko na pala ang ating ganyan remote na keys. Kaya it's good. Hi guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa office. And you know what, di ba dinala ko kanina yung laptop ko? Andyan siya. Kasi yung laptop kasi namin sa work, guys, and yung printer, para siyang, ewan ko, connected siya via whatever. I'm not really a technical person, guys, kaya hindi ko ma-explain ng mabuti. But yun nga, pwede akong mag-print sa bahay, tapos dito siya lalabas kasi connected sila ba. Tapos pagdating ko dito, guys, nandyan na pala siya, tingnan nyo. Hindi ko na kailangan ng aking laptop. Na-print na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang kailangan kong i-print. I didn't have to turn on my laptop. Iba talaga yung technology, guys, no? Sobrang high-tech talaga ba? Anyways, guys, itong mga pinnin ko pala is ito. Tingnan nyo, Access to on-site childcare, kindergarten. Ayan. Permit to siya, guys. Kasi nga, diba, na-mention ko na kahapon na dito nga sa Victoria, sa amin dito sa Melbourne, lockdown, stage 4 na kami. Kaya yung mga kids, yung childcare, hindi sila magko-close. Pero yung allowed lang ng mga kids na makakapasok doon is kailangan merong permit from the company to make, para ma-prove na nag-work talaga kami from home that we have to send our kids to childcare. Si Daddy Mike pala kaninang umaga, nag-send sa kanya yung company niya ng ganito nga, ng permit. And then, tinawagan ako ng boss ko kaninang umaga. Then, sabi niya na, is everything okay with you? Do you need a permit? Ganito, ganyan. And you know what, guys? Sobrang lucky ko talaga sa kumpanya na pinagtatrabahuan ko. No wonder na nagstay ako talaga dito ng mahabang panahon. Like, I've been working in this company for over 5 years now. And dahil mahal nila talaga ako, guys. Like, they always show na nagki-care sila sa akin, not just because I'm their employee, but I think for them, I'm their family. Kaya gustong-gusto ko talaga yung trabaho ko, guys. Kahit na minsan nakaka-stress and all, pero it's normal naman talaga siguro sa trabaho na ma-stress ka, di ba? It's not always smooth sailing pag nagtatrabaho ka. Yeah, anyway, so yung boss ko, tinawagan ako kayo ng umaga. He asked me kung kailangan ko ng permit, ng ganito, ganyan. Kasi pag walang permit, guys, and pag na-pull over ako ng pulis sa labas, tapos tinanong nila ako kung saan ako pupunta, tapos wala akong maisagot, or kahit sabihin ko na pupunta ako ng childcare, ganito, kasi pick upin ko ang aking baby girl, baka maghingi sila ng permit ba. Tapos yung boss ko dito sa Melbourne, nag-set siya ng meeting with my manager sa Sydney, kasi yung kumpanya kasi namin, guys, is all over the world. Tapos yung manager ko talaga sa amin sa department ko, naka-base siya sa Sydney, and then yung boss ko is obviously nandito sa Melbourne. So nag-set siya ng meeting, so kaming tatlo nag-video call kami. Tapos tinanong nila ako kung kumusta ako and how am I coping with everything na nangyayari ngayon, and that sabi nila na komportable ba daw ako na dalhin si Paris sa childcare, kasi ayaw nila na isipin ko na wala akong support na nakukuha, na hindi sila flexible sa akin. Kasi guys, ever since nag-start ako sa work ko na to, they have been very flexible with me. Like, always nila akong binibigyan ng time if I need it. And yeah, very flexible lang talaga sila, guys. Kaya sinabi nila sa akin na kung hindi ka komportable na dalhin si Paris sa childcare, we can always work with the times. So siguro, mag-work ako sa umaga, tapos I'll spend time with Paris during the day, tapos work na naman ako sa gabi, yung mga ganun ba. So we will work out time para naman I can still parang play and look after Paris sa bahay. But then sabi ko, I am fine with it. I just wanna do the same thing. Yung bang 3 days si Paris sa childcare and 2 days sa bahay. Pero yun nga sabi nila, okay, yeah, that's fine, you know, we can do that. We'll give you the permit and also. Kaya ito, guys, very thankful ako, guys, na yung mga boss ko, they are very kind-hearted and also they're very nice. Naiintindihan talaga nila. And it makes me very happy ba na even though may anak na ako, I still have that privilege to work. And yeah, it's just very good to have that support, guys. Kaya super happy talaga ako sa trabaho na to. And anyways, andito na. We'll make sure na nandito lahat, guys, kasi para hindi na tayo magbalik-balik. Ayan. So everything is right na, guys. Nandito na lahat. Tapos sabi ng boss ko, while I'm here, sabi niya, i-check ko na lang din daw yung office. We'll see if okay lahat ba. Tingnan natin. Kasi tagal na namin hindi nakapunta dito. 'Di ba nandito ako the other night kasi pinick up ko yung aking keyboard tsaka mouse. Ayan, ito ang aking desk. And you know what, guys, meron palang camera dito. Baka pinapanood nila ako ba anong ginagawa ng babaeng to. Anyways, check natin yung boardroom. See kung meron mga tao. May wakwak dito. Wala. Ayan, so dito kami nagmi-meeting, guys. Check natin ang ating, andito sa aming, kusina. Ayan. Meron kaming maliit na fridge. Lahat, meron pang isang fridge doon. And then microwave and all. Meron kaming, ng water. Tapos, check lang natin dito sa toilet. Ito yung toilet. Tarang! Ayan. Dito tayo nag-picture-picture. Selfie-selfie pag may time. Buti na lang talaga guys, hindi ko na kinailangan ilabas yung aking laptop kasi very hassle ba. Labas, mag-log in, mag-log out. Yung ganyan. So, I'm very happy na hindi ko na siya need. Anyways, alis na tayo dito guys kasi ang ating baby girl ay naghihintay na yun dun. It's now, anong oras na nga ba? 5:30 ng hapon, kaya let us go. Tapos, tawagan ko lang ang aking boss after dito. Sabihin ko, everything is fine dito sa office. Ayan. Tapos dito, meron kaming, ayan, kasi nasa second, ano kami, parang second floor. Call daddy? Do you wanna call daddy?
Yes, please. Again.
Sarah Jane.
Please.
Is that Sarah Jane?
Ito.
Rita. Mga teachers niya. Oh. Open?
Get your comment. Can you scan it and send it back to me?
There you go. There you
Look,
go.
here, fish.
Push. Good girl. Thank you, honey. Where's daddy now?
That is the car.
Daddy's in the car. Where's our car?
Dad.
What's the color of our car? Black.
Now blue.
No, it's not blue. It's black.
Now blue.
Black, 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 black.
Everything.
What did you do at school today, Nat? It's okay now. Okay. Open. What did you do at school?
Play castle.
Play castle. What else?
Look at it.
Did you ride a bike?
And then go outside.
Go outside. Careful.
That is in
Is Daddy in
the car.
the car?
No, that is in the doctor.
Daddy's at home. Daddy's at home, anak. Go walk in the car.
That is what the doctor.
The doctor? Where's Daddy?
That is the car.
Huh?
That is the car.
Daddy's not in the car. Where's Daddy?
That is in the doctor.
The doctor? I don't think Daddy's in the doctor, Nak. I think Daddy's at home.
That is cooking dairy. That is cooking dairy.
Daddy cooking dinner. That's right. Yeah, Daddy's cooking dinner, honey. Where do we go now? Where do we go?
Like, this is super impressive, man. For
Come on,
first
honey.
impression, like, they got it, man. The instruments are on point, man. The vocals are on
Say,
point.
hurry up.
I just love hearing this song, man. That guitarist, he definitely destroyed that song.
I can't believe you just said who's that
You guys let
guitarist.
me know if-
Yeah. The teacher said today that Paris couldn't stop talking.
Is that good? Very good.
Very good. They had like a 5 months old baby there today.
Yeah.
And T said that Paris wanted to help him feed her. Nak, did you help your teacher feed your friend? He said Paris keeps saying, Paris turn! Paris turn!
Are you looking after the baby?
Were you looking after the baby? Nak, do you want a sister or a brother?
No, mommy, daddy.
A sister or a brother?
That's mommy, daddy.
Does Paris want a baby?
Does Paris want a baby? Be careful.
Do you want a baby boy or baby girl?
What you want, Nak?
Are you shy?
You want a baby sister or a baby brother?
Where do we go?
She can't decide. Huh?
Very good po, ma'am.
Hi guys! Dito na kami sa bahay and maybe maririnig nyo sa background natin si Paris ay nanonood ng kanyang Peppa Pig. Kaya excuse me pag medyo parang maingay ba. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kusina kasi magluluto na tayo ng hapunan guys. Actually, hindi pala tayo nakabili ng bigas. Di ba kagabi naubos na yung bigas natin and nakalimutan ko talaga. Si Daddy Mike kanina pumunta ng grocery kaninang mga lunchtime. Tapos tinanong niya ako kung anong kailangan ko sa shop. Hindi ako nagsabi na bigas. Kaya ngayon wala tayong bigas. So yung kakainin natin is may mga karne naman dyan guys, pero ayaw ko namang kainin yung karne by itself. Kaya napag-isipan ko na I wanna be creative tonight. Ito yung nakita ko, guys. Creative and healthy at the same time. Ayan. So, meron tayong chickpeas. And meron tayong peeled tomatoes. And ngayon, hindi pa pala ako nakapagluto ng ganito before. Tapos, lagyan lang ng mga ganito. Parang ano lang ba, char-char lang basta. May ano lang, may lasa lang. Sarap na. Tapos, lagyan ko rin ng konting curry powder. And then, we've got chili. So, yan yung lulutuin ko and see if masarapan ba tayo. Experiment muna tayo ngayon. Where do you wanna go?
Jake.
You wanna go see Jake again?
Yes.
You went to see Jake the other night. Huh?
No, we say bike.
You wanna go again? Okay.
I want to bike.
Okay. One. Ready? Steady?
I'm gonna go faster.
So, ayan na ang ating finished product, guys. Tapos na ang ating eksperimento. Ayan. Tinikman ko na siya and it tastes good actually. So, that's good. I'm very happy with that. Meron ako nakitang basmati rice. Ayan. Oh, so, di ba perfect talaga yung basmati rice sa ganyan. So, that's good. Okay, Paris. Mama is your teacher today. Sit down properly. Okay, I'm going. There you go. Paris wants to play with the flashcards. So, we're gonna give it to her. No, Mama's gonna teach you. Gusto niya siya yung mag-teach sa akin. That is, let me just think. Flower?
Yes.
Yeah! What's next?
It's hot.
That is C.
Yes.
Yay! Well done, Mama.
Well done, Mama.
Thank you, Paris. That is, I know what that is. What is that again, Paris? What's that?
Go.
Igloo! Yay,
right.
that's right. That's igloo. Hold it properly there. Put it there. Put it down. What's next?
It's hot.
It's N. Is that right? Yay! Thank you, Paris. Show to Daddy. What's that, Daddy?
Jam.
Yes.
Yes! Is Daddy right?
Yes.
Oh, good job. That's a good job, Daddy.
That's what Daddy.
Well done, Daddy. I forgot. What's that, Paris? What is that?
Peach.
H. Good job. That's right.
Right. Petal.
Pencil. That's right. That's pencil.
Right. Lucky.
Monkey.
That's right.
E.
It's not E.
Yeah.
F. That's right. What is this?
D.
D. Good job. And this?
Foot.
Watch. I don't know. What's this?
No, I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one.
Paris. What's this?
And cat.
Carrots. Good girl. That's carrots. What's this? What is this? I'll ask them. What's this, guys?
Eggs.
Eggs. Good girl. How about this, guys?
D. E.
What's that?
A.
A.
Good girl.
What's this, guys? I'll ask them now. What's that?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. What's this, guys? What's this, Paris?
You.
You. Good job. What's this, guys? What's that? What's that?
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy. Okay, mommy. What's this?
W.
W. What's this?
Two.
X-ray. What's this? Octopus. What's this? Paris, what's this?
Green.
Queen. Good job.
That's how mommy.
That is, let mama think. Is that a tiger? Yay! Thank you, princess.
This is
Z?
best.
Yay! Is mama good now? Oh, thank you, princess. Can you help me, please?
Yes.
What's this?
S.
S? I don't think it's S.
This. This.
What's this?
Cow.
Q. That's right. Anla, narinig niyo ang kanyang tatay, guys. Nag-concert.
Daddy.
It's daddy. Daddy!
Is it the best?
Where are you?
Fit. I got it. Is it the best?
Yes, you're the best. You're the best singer in the world. Better than Michael Jackson. But we count 1 to 10. Babe? 1.
No, that.
Oh, that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Where is daddy finger? Bob, Paris is really into, like, if you ask her something and she's thinking, she's like,
Where's my finger?
where's mommy finger? There you go, mommy finger, mommy finger. Where?
It's
Oh,
mommy.
that's daddy.
Up this.
That's mommy.
It's
Who's
mommy.
this?
Mommy.
This is mommy.
Brother.
It's brother. This one.
Sister.
Sister.
Paris.
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 Yay.
This is with daddy.
Daddy.
Rocca.
Brother.
Paris.
Paris.
Mama.
No more? Is that it? Is that it? No sister? No sister? Yes. Yes, mommy.
Mommy.
I love you, Paris. Hi, loves! Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. It's nearly 10 o'clock ng gabi. Pagkatapos namin mag-dinner kanina, naglaro-laro kami with Paris. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. By the way, guys, yung ating dinner kanina na in-experiment ko, it actually turned out well. Kaya, I'm very proud of myself. And also, as you notice, guys, iba na yung buhok ko ngayon. Kasi pinansya ko siya. Diba kanina binulibod ko kasi hindi ko nasuklay. And pinansya ko siya para naman, ay, naku, pag umaga ba, bukas, pagkagising natin, ay parang tao na tayo. Kasi may meeting ako tomorrow ng maaga talaga. Kaya it's good na parang okay na yung buhok natin para hindi tayo mukhang wakwak bukas. Hello, anak.
Buffalo.
Hi, Mommy Gruffalo. Mommy Gruffalo daw. Come here, baby Gruffalo. Do you wanna say hi to our friends?
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. I'm baby Gruffalo.
A big over here.
How are you?
How are you?
Anyways, guys, gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-hit ng subscribe button.
Hi, Michael.
Yeah, I love having you here, guys, and I love all your lovely comments. Kaya maraming salamat. Ala, nagdidi na lagi. And ngayon ay magsha-shoutout lang tayo para sa ating mga subscribers na gusto magpa-shoutout. First shoutout goes to Evs Cruz from Commonwealth Quezon City. Shout out to Mary Jane Subere, Rosemary La Rosa, Kusha Basham, Rose Lumeran, Lisan Bansil, Dali Baldesco from Cavite, Evert Suta 53, and also sa anak niya daw na si Maria Micaela Sueta. Birthday daw niya bukas. Sir, happy birthday sa'yo, B. Shout out to... Happy birthday. Happy birthday, tita. Come here, say.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Good girl.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Shout out to Melincia Apundar, Mary Ann Cardoza, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Susing Sales from Manila. Shout out to Princess Montemayor and Sarah Montemayor. Shout out to Victoria's Secret VCM Live TV. Shout out to Nat Susana from Bohol. Elvira Sungalia from Calamba. Shout out to Den and Kids. Delia Rulago and Kids. Shout out. Shout out to Maricel Mabalot, ang saya kahit kailan from Alcala, Pangasinan. Shout out to Virginia Manaloto, Mary Ann de Guzman, Ruth Adlawan, Iya Kuji Funtime, B Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Aiza Simple Life, Elsie Maglangit. Shout out to Annie Vergara, Maria Luz Florimonte, Pinoy Chef in Florida, USA channel, LM, Mud Brat. Shout out to Mami Rose Sabalye. Hello po. Shout out to Chari Tamayo, Tess Arellano, Elsa Mapago. Shout out to Amay Vargas, Jumel Terno, Mylene Franco, Paula Roque, Cristina Luestro, Fe Guarnes, Maribel Patiag, Prima Bersabal. Shout out to Elenita Punzalan, Leonila Hirames, Fortnite Plays, Jaden Reyes. Shout out to Vicky Espirito, Natividad Ibasan, and it's Chrissy May. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye. Be careful. Bye. Say bye, Nak.